Echinocactus grusonii, or the Golden Barrel Cactus, comes from Mexico and has captivated plant lovers for over 100 years due to its striking spherical shape and flawless symmetry. Each of the 30 or so ribs produce very sharp spines from areoles, though it does redeem itself with an array of gorgeous yellow flowers around its domed crown from spring to summer. They can be kept in pots, but they're at their best when planted out in a dry gravel or rock garden setting where they can reach their full potential. The Golden Barrel Cactus can get as big as 1 metre high in the right environment, but it will take around 30 years, so it's worth ensuring it's going to have plenty of space around it. A great choice for architectural garden designs, rock gardens or Mediterranean-style gardens. They need extremely well-drained soils and plenty of sun throughout the day. Almost maintenance-free, this is a plant to make a powerful statement. Look, but don't touch.